Hello and welcome to my channel. This is your host and host Amir, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today I'll be sharing with you the recipe of shawarma's garlic sauce, or also known as the garlic aioli. I always used to get fascinated thinking how this delicious, pungent yet creamy sauce was made. And after trying and tasting it multiple times, I'd finally got this right a few years back. I've jotted down some important points to be kept in mind while making this creamy shawarma sauce. Do check out the description box. I'll be making the shawarma sauce in the mixer because it's very easy and very quick. In this I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of lime juice. You can also replace it with vinegar. Reason why I'm adding lime juice is that it eradicates the raw egg smell from the final product. In this I'll drop 2 cloves of garlic, and to give it a pleasing taste I'll add half a tablespoon of sugar. Sugar will help you to elevate the taste of the garlic sauce and help you to make it less pungent. To this I'll also add a teaspoon of salt. And to this I'll add 1 whole egg. Now it's time for us to blend it. I'll blend it up for at least 5 to 10 seconds until the garlic is nicely churned and everything is mixed well. After the first blend, it should probably look like a vanilla milkshake with lots of froth over it. And to this we'll add 3 tablespoons of oil. Close the lid and blend it for another 5 to 10 seconds until the oil has started to emulsify with the egg. As you can see, I'm blending it for 5 seconds, taking a small gap and then blending it for another 5 seconds. This method will help to emulsify the oil and the egg in a proper way. After I'm done with this, I'll add 3 more tablespoons of oil and continue the same process. After blending it twice, you will notice your sauce has turned out to be a thick shake, and that's an indication that the oil is emulsifying well with the egg. I'll add 3 more tablespoons of oil to this and blend it again. Make sure that you do not blend it for more than 5 to 10 seconds, otherwise it will turn bitter in taste. After you blend it, repeat the same process, add 3 tablespoons of oil and blend it again. The main ingredient on which the taste of your garlic sauce depends upon is the quality and the flavor of the oil. So for making the garlic sauce, it is recommended that you use the salad oil as it has a neutral flavor. Make sure whenever you are adding oil, you only add 2 to 3 tablespoons, not more than that, unless you want it to curdle. As you can see, the sauce has emulsified and now you can add more oil and blend it. I'll add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and I'll blend it again for at least 5 to 10 seconds. For the quantities of all the ingredients, please do check out the description box. And after blending it for several times, our garlic sauce is ready. Perfectly creamy, silky smooth, and of course, delicious in taste. You can store it in the refrigerator for a week and enjoy it with shawarmas, burger, french fries and sandwiches. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, then please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video for the first time, then please do hit the subscribe button and check out other videos on my channel. Thank you for all the lovely heartwarming comments and plenty suggestions. I will try my best to share the recipes with you all this month. Also, do follow me on Instagram for latest updates. The link will be in the description box. Until then, adios amigos, take care.